Welcome to Grow with ESA. You may have heard of something called Faceless YouTube channels, which are essentially channels that you can run without ever stepping in front of a camera or showing your face. The first step to making money on YouTube with these automation channels is to choose a niche. A niche is essentially just a category of content to upload. By choosing a niche, you'll attract a targeted audience that will engage more with your videos. As a result, all of your videos can complement each other, leading to substantial growth and potentially a lot of money once you get monetized. Now, there are hundreds of different niches to choose from, so it can be tough, especially when you're just starting. Many people get stuck at the step of selecting a niche. That's why I'm making this video, to help you avoid choosing the wrong one. If you're out there looking for a niche, or even just thinking about starting another faceless channel to add to your existing business, I want to make sure you avoid a few specific niches at all costs. That's what we're going to cover today. 5 YouTube automation niches you should avoid. Niche number 1, compilation videos. These are videos where you simply download a bunch of clips, put them together into a compilation, and re-upload them. You might be thinking, what's wrong with that? Well, there are a few issues. Compilation videos are often not considered transformative content, and they can run into copyright problems. If you're not adding significant commentary or making the content different from the original, you could face copyright claims. YouTube may not even monetize these videos, and you may struggle to make money from them. Simply re-uploading other people's videos without transformation is risky. Niche number 2, meditation or relaxation videos. This niche can be tricky. A lot of people think it's easy to just download royalty-free music and slap it over a stock video from sites like Pixabay. The problem is, this content is often not original enough for YouTube to monetize, and many of these channels get demonetized or never get monetized as in the first place. If you want to succeed with meditation or relaxation videos, make sure you're doing it the right way. You should either create your own music or hire someone to make it for you, and use a human voiceover to guide meditation or affirmations. Simply re-uploading royalty-free videos won't cut it. Niche number 3, kids channels. You might wonder, what's wrong with kids channels? They get tons of views. The issue is that content aimed at children falls under the COPPA, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. These laws prevent advertisers from targeting kids with personalized ads, which results in much lower RPM, revenue per 1,000 views. While you can still make money from kids' content, the revenue is significantly lower compared to content aimed at older audiences. Niche number 4, music and lyric videos. If you try to re-upload music or create lyric videos using copyrighted music, you will likely run into copyright issues. Music videos often get flagged by YouTube's Content ID system, meaning any revenue generated will go to the copyright holder. If you want to work in the music niche, make sure you have the proper rights to the music. Either create original music or commission someone else to produce it for you, ensuring you have full ownership of the content. Niche number 5, gaming content. You might think gaming content is an easy path to success given its massive popularity on YouTube. However, the gaming space is extremely crowded. Thousands of channels are uploading content on the same games, and without something unique or different to offer, it's hard to stand out. Additionally, many game developers require you to obtain permission to use their content in videos. You also won't make much money through affiliate marketing in this niche, and the ad rates are often lower compared to other niches. So, what should you focus on? In this video, I discuss 10 more of the best faceless YouTube niches. If you want to learn more, check it out right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.